Hi everyone, here we've got a OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and find sounds and vibration, scroll down again, and here we've got the whole ringtone and vibration section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, or for notifications. Let me pick, for example, phone ringtone, and as you can see, the very first section is the vibration section, so here we can decide if you want to feel the vibration for calls, and you can change its pattern and intensity. Under it, we've got the ringtone section, the very first option, set ringtone for each SIM card, so it means that if you have both SIM cards inserted, then you will be able to divide them, so you will be able to choose the ringtone for the first SIM card and totally another ringtone for the second SIM card. Under it, we've got the ringtone from internal storage, so it means that if you have any compatible files downloaded, then you will be able to enter it. Here they will appear and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. Let me get back, and under it we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones. We can set none, so your device won't notificate you that someone is calling, or we can set the ringtone from this list. So in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, for example, if you want to choose this one, make sure that it is marked. Let's get back. As you can see, it is immediately applied, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.